4407 North Briarwood Lane. Pulling back from the new sewer and into, I'm actually in the 2-inch clean out inside, but we're pulling back here and it shows +1 on the monitor, but we've got grade and flow here. And then here, you see some standing water in the cleanouts. Between the cleanouts and this first PVC section. Rest of flow for the sewer looks just fine. This is post repair. And like I said, come back here, we're going to hit this 45 there. And we come to this 3-inch. So, flow, that's the toilet tie-in that we just passed. And then this is up through the